Hello guys. Yes, for those who didn't thought, I'll be back. I'm back for the part 2 of this very own tutorials on how to use chipa-ta. In the latest video, we did show you about our website that you should totally go see, because yes, that's the way it works, and yes, that's how we were able to make all of our open source projects. Anyways, guys, enough of the unimportant things in life. Here is where we stayed last time. Last time we did do until just import the library, just did this just to, start, because we're gonna be using this in the next few tutorials. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for using this, and here comes the next tutorial. So first thing that you're gonna do is create a variable called candle full equals candle, which yes guys, this candle is the same candle class we are important here. So as you can see, this candle class takes a lot of different arguments, but here are the important ones. The price, of course you want to get the clothes. Yes, you want to give the entire candle, but in this case we're just gonna give random data because we haven't connected this library to the to the binary option tools v2 library, which yes, in the future it will be capable of connecting to a lot of different things. Like, I don't know, in the future we might connect it to crypto, we might connect it to everything, but yes, that's what we do and that's the way it works. So yes, here it is providing and saying some random data that yes, why not, we don't need to deal with it. I'm just gonna put a volume of $1,000 because yes, this is a very used candle, and let's say that's the way it is. Now I'm gonna show you something that's it's gonna take forever to tap something. Let's just get into it. So the first thing we're gonna print is the full candle, because that's what we do. That's just information we are interested in. Yes, that's how we do. But you know what? Let's actually print it on a better and funnier way. We're just gonna do full candle str yoinky. Then just put double points, because that's what we do and that's the way it works, and just put a comma here, str, because yes, and candle full. Yes, there we go. We've done this, we've done everything we wanted in that specific line. Guys, there's still some other things to do, because now we're gonna do a print statement where we're gonna print the full candle. Yes, this is exactly, it's incredible how AI knows exactly what I wanna do. Yes, it's exactly that, and that's what we're gonna do. Now, boys, I'm sorry, this is not what I wanted to do. Yes, this is for now. Now, we're just gonna print the data, which for obvious reasons it's gonna take, but it's basic data, so you want to print that, because yes, then next, yes, and there we go, guys. That, my friends, is this first cell, and we're finishing that part. So now we're gonna execute this because we're very interested, and that, my friend, is how we did forget the price, because yes, as you could probably imagine, sometimes AI is not the best. So in this case, we're gonna put the price ourselves. Just gonna put a price of, I don't know, 100.2. Let's say a random number. We don't, no, that's 1,000. That's definitely not the price. But yes, there we go. Now it's gonna work, because that's who we are and that's how we do it. Anyways, guys, how you can see, we already have a candle that we created this candle. Yes, we created our own price. This, we could literally say this is our own ticker. It's so fun. We could say things really cool, like we could say something like print CHPT, I don't know, our own token price equals, yes, and that's how we do it. And look at it. Oh yeah, wait, Okay, well, it doesn't matter. We would, in this case, it would be closes, yes, I mean, of course. And there we go, chipa-ta. I mean, if we want to even play more about this, we may just put chipa-ta. I mean, yes, look at this. Now we officially have our crypto and this crypto doesn't exist, but yet it has a price. You know, isn't that the coolest thing? I mean, of course, it's just theoretical. It doesn't actually exist, but yet in our heads, in our mind, and in our spirit, it does exist, if you know what I'm saying. Anyways, guys, now we're gonna go to the next idea, which is gonna be, we are gonna now add some assert modules and, yes, just deal with data itself, because that's who we are and that's what we are. Because now this is another way, just another way to deal with data. In this case, I'm just gonna put it to you guys, and yes, this, and by doing this, I mean, this is a way to like change the data. I mean, in this case, we can just change the data. I mean, you'll see we're putting new data, so now we can do this. Hold on. Okay, it doesn't matter. Oh yes, I understand now the issue, because it's not it's not the same high, and you know, that's the way it works. That's the way it works, and there's nothing we can do about it. So we want to copy the same low. We want to copy the same open, because that's who we are. We want to open the same open. Boom, boom, boom. Bam. Wait, is it open without the 0.0? So we're gonna put, and volume, it was only 1000. And yes, and now we're gonna execute this, and there we go. You can see the close. As you can see, unfortunately, the close is not the same price, because I'm human and we do all the time errors. That's who we are, and that's the way it works. Anyways, guys, as you can see, now that's another way to deal. I mean, if you feel that this is too ugly just to deal with this directly, you can just put the numbers and deal with it there. It is better, and that's how we do it, and that's the best way on doing it. Anyways, guys, yes, other ways to do this is, you know, there's a lot of extra code I'm gonna deal with here, but let's just do it, because now we can do something like Candle.price equals, yes, we can do something like Candle.price. We'll just, you know, put something like 42.0. I mean, 42.0, that's the way it is, and that's what we do. Now we can do something like print candle. Yes, why not? Let's just do this, and yes, we can just do that, which we're just gonna run this, and yes, there we go, the new price being all of these thingies. Yes, then we can just add something extra, just because, I mean, there's no reason why we wouldn't add this. It's just a print statement, it doesn't really matter, but there we go, it's just what it is. And yes, guys, now we can add another assert, which we're gonna do right now. We're just gonna do assert yoink, then candle, the price dot open equals, yes, exactly this, which equals 42.0. Sorry, 0.0. Yes, guys, that's what we do, and that's the way we're gonna do it. And now you can just execute this, and you can see it worked, because that's who we are, and that's the way to do it. Then we can just add another one. Candle price dot volume equals 0.0, because I mean, we don't want to deal with the print candle assets. I don't know, you can do whatever you want here, but I'm just gonna do something like candle, a search, and passed successfully. Yes, that's beautiful, and that's just the way we are. So, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy this video, and I hope you become the person you want to become. And for cheap as worth, my name is Vigo Walker, and I see you in the next video.